This is Filipina Girl USA. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to do a tutorial on how you delete your history in your computer from Google Chrome. So let's start this, guys. First, you need to go to your Google. Click Google Chrome. And try to go to your Google, your studio, YouTube Studio. YouTube Studio channel. There we go. And then I have to show it to you guys right here on the left side where my cursor is, in that arrow on the left. Try to click the long press that, and then it shows your Google or show full history. Are we going to work on our history so we can delete our history so our computer won't get full? Click this. Here we go, guys. Have you seen this? All of this? That's all my history, guys. It weighs a lot of memory. Look at that. It's a lot, guys. That's why my computer won't work when I do my live streaming. That is a lot. Still keep going. I have lots. See? Keep going, keep going. That's from the latest January until November probably. I haven't been deleted it because I don't know how to figure it out. So now I know how to figure this out because I'm not really good in computers. That's all my history, guys, that needs to get clean. Alright. This was, let's see, when is this? December 16. Oh, November 21st. I think that's, yeah, November 21st history. So let us delete all of that. Next is, you need to select all of this. This is just a sample, guys, huh? A sample. Then what we're going to do is, there's in the right side, there's a cancel on delete right here. And the right side, we need to go delete that. Remove. Are you sure you want to delete this page from your history? Of course, yes. Remove. Yeah, I still have lots, guys, but I'm going to work on that later. And next, guys, we are going to click this clear browsing data. Right here. Clear browsing data. Clear data. Let's click that. And it's clear all your data. That's another way, guys. Another way of doing your history. Your data. Not history. Your browsing data. Yeah, that's it. For now. Thank you, guys. Hope you watched the video. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Like and subscribe. And there's another way also, guys, on how you delete your history. You can go to your right here, there's 3 dots right here. Customize and control Google Chrome. So it says here there's a history right there. or more tools. More tools. And go to this clear browsing data. Click that. Here we go, guys. Something like that. And clear browsing data, basic. There's advanced. So let's proceed to the basic first, okay? So it says here time range. Last hour, just click this choices here. There's last hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, all time. I am going to do all time, guys. All time. And then clear data. Click the clear data. That's the different ways of clearing your stuff. And then let's go back to the clear browsing data right here. Need to click that. And we're going to advance. I put all time, guys, so I'm going to clear that. Alright, that's it. That's how I do it, guys. Well, we have different ways on how to do this deleting kind of stuff. So that's how I do it. I just want to share it to you guys. This is for the people who just started, the beginners, just helping them. I think that's all for today. Thank you.